It's a new 2024 Cadillac XT4. Cross out your old expectations of crossovers. The XT4 is a moving statement of big utility and plentiful features in a compact package. It comes with the features you need, and better yet, want. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, streaming audio, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, rear parking sensors, external memory control, memory exterior door mirror settings, driver memory seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and integrated navigation system with voice activation. To achieve greatness, one must dare to be great. Shape your world in a Cadillac. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
Call us today at 813-565-0061.